Number 3. XPG Lancer RGB ROG Certified CL32. You'll adore the XPG Lancer RGB ROG Certified CL32. This RAM module isn't just about flashy lights and style, it's a powerhouse in disguise. With its glossy heatsink, it doesn't just look cool, it stays cool, even under heavy pressure. Customizable RGB lighting adds flair to your setup. Choose from static, breathing, and comet effects, or fine-tune it with XPG Prime software. Compatibility with third-party software means more options at your fingertips. What sets this RAM apart is its on-die error correcting code. Real-time error checks and corrections boost stability and reliability. You can game or work without fearing unexpected glitches. Stock speed at 6600 MHz is impressive. If that's not enough, overclocking becomes a breeze with Intel XMP 3.0 settings. ROG certified units go a step further, promising enhanced performance with ROG motherboards. Unlock up to 6800 MTS speeds via BIOS with a single click. While the 16 GB max capacity per module might be a drawback for those needing more memory, this doesn't overshadow its strengths. Aesthetics and performance enthusiasts will find it a worthy addition to their system. Loving this RAM's stylish design and superb performance has never been easier. Dive deeper into what the XPG Lancer can do for you today.